Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into IPTV's legality in the US, exploring its increasing popularity and what that means for you as a viewer. Let's get started. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, allows users to stream media over the internet. But is IPTV legal in the US? The answer is not straightforward, and various factors come into play. Firstly, understand that IPTV legality depends on the content source. Licensed content is lawful. Accessing it without permission can lead to legal repercussions. Let's explore these differences. Many legitimate IPTV services exist, offering licensed content at a fee. Examples include popular services offering sports, movies, and TV shows legally. These services comply with U.S. laws. On the flip side, using IPTV sources without proper licensing poses risks, including potential fines. It's crucial to be aware of the service you're subscribing to before jumping in. In conclusion, while IPTV itself isn't illegal, the service's legality hinges on content licensing. Stay informed, choose wisely, and enjoy streaming safely. Subscribe for more tech insights.